everyone, welcome to the class. Today we will have a discussion on themes, motives and symbols of Animal Farm by George Orwell. Animal Farm is rich with a handsome amount of symbols. The animals' names represent the historical people on the same name, their actions, powers and positions. For instance, Napoleon stands for Napoleon Bonaparte, who was the absolute powerful emperor of France. Major, as in old major, is a high military rank in any military force of a nation. Snowball has a connotation of harmlessness, delicacy, and gentleness. Thus, it stands for a very short period of time. Boxer is a powerful fighter, strong and upright. Squealer has a negative association of sneaking through, who tells people or squeals. It's also someone who makes a terrible noise of pain. Moses is a biblical prophet who receives the 10 commandments from God. Mr. Jones's rifle symbolizes trophy, representing the animal's victory over their former human master. Old Major's skull, which was kept beside the flag, is a satire pointed of the Russian practice. Vladimir Lenin's body was put on display after his death. It's also here till now. If you visit Russia, you will see the body. Similarly, Old Major's skull symbolizes the founding idealist leader of revolution. The windmill represents labor of hard-working subjects, symbolizing industrialization in communism. Milk and apple symbolize riches and material wealth, and how the producers are being manipulated and they do not get their own production. The flag symbolizes animals' nationalism and their dedication to animalism, thus satirizing people's dedication to socialism. There are a number of important themes in Animal Farm which have political, social and historical connections. First, there is power and corruption. Other than Russian Revolution, Animal Farm satirizes politicians throughout the world, especially their rhetoric, ability to manipulate others, and insatiable lust for power. Despite his seemingly altruistic motives, Napoleon masks all his actions with the excuse that everything is done for the betterment of the farm. Power corrupts, and absolute power corrupts absolutely. Napoleon is corrupted but is disguised under a false propaganda. Then comes exploitation. Throughout the novel, we see how the working class is exploited by the ruling class to provide for their own aristocratic needs. The condition of the animals turns into even worse than before. However, it is justified only in the fear that Mr. Jones will arrive again. Thus, the working class animals serve the deceptive, corrupt upper class animals. In fact, deception is its own theme. And we see how Napoleon and Squealer falsely present history to justify all of Napoleon's actions. Suppressing education or fear-mongering creates a culture of deception and for the rise of a dictator. Animalism is an utopia. It portrays the theme of idealism. Especially at the beginning of the novel, we see dreams of equality and legends of animal bravery set the stage for a revolution. However, the revolution didn't bring any change in the life of the common animals. Animalism remained a dream forever. The theme of indifference is also important, which means lack of concern. Animals are not concerned of actually what is happening in the farm. They just believe what they have been told. Benjamin, the cynical donkey, was always indifferent to the changes took place in the farm. He was always right because the dictatorship never changed in the Animal Farm. There are a number of important motifs in this novel. First one is propaganda. Songs such as Sheep's Chants, Beasts of England, the Animal Farm Anthem, the Ode to Napoleon, each served as a propaganda which were major factors of social control through the Russian Revolution. The songs were drilled into the brains of the animals, by which the animals lost their individuality. Then comes the social class. The Animal Farm is a representation of human society. The different species of this farm represent different classes in the Soviet Union and their rules in the society. The pigs especially represent those in the government that held in power, evolving into a dictatorship. Religion and politics. Religion is used as a tool for the dictators to control the people. Moses continuously tells the animals about Sugar Candy Mountain, using religion as a means of giving the animals a false hope, thus detaching the animals from their individuality. And therefore, Animal Farm is still famous throughout the whole world. It remains a legendary book that allows us to think deeply. It's a study of Soviet Union and the Russian Revolution, and allegory for self-rule and how government is structured. On top of it, it's a cautionary tale for the parodies of power itself. That's all for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment below. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want some more videos. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay blessed. Bye-bye.